Welcome to Katylinks, your Odoo training channel. In this tutorial, we will explore one of the most insightful features inside Odoo Inventory, the Smart Buttons. These buttons appear at the top of your product or inventory record and provide real-time shortcuts to everything happening in your warehouse, from stock on hand to reserved quantities, purchase orders, and sales deliveries. Smart Buttons are quick access links that summarize your product's entire inventory lifecycle. They help you monitor quantities, stock movements, purchase and sales orders, and valuation without running separate reports. They save time and give you a full snapshot of your product flow. What is in stock, what is coming in, what is going out, and how much it is worth. Instead of clicking through multiple menus, you can track all movement directly from the product dashboard. They are used by inventory managers, warehouse staff, accountants, and purchasing teams, anyone who needs fast, accurate data about product stock and movement. You will find them in Inventory, then Products Open, Any Product, and you will see Smart Buttons across the top. Use them anytime you want to check what is in stock, what is reserved for sales, what is being purchased, or what is being manufactured and delivered. Each button connects to live data, and when you click it, Odoo opens the related transactions for that specific product. Let's go through the key Smart Buttons and what they show. The first button is On Hand. It shows how many units are currently available in stock. Clicking, it takes you to the Quantity On Hand report showing which warehouse and location the product is stored in. Use it to confirm availability before promising delivery or creating a manufacturing order. The next is Forecasted. It gives a predictive view of stock combining current stock incoming purchase orders, outgoing sales orders, and internal transfers. This helps you anticipate shortages before they happen. If the forecast shows a negative value, Odoo will recommend replenishment based on your reordering rules. The Reserved button shows how much of the product is already allocated to sales orders or manufacturing orders, but not yet delivered. It tells you how much stock is committed to customers versus what is freely available. The Delivered or Outgoing button lists all confirmed delivery orders for the product. Open it to see shipments completed or pending, so your warehouse team can track outgoing goods. The Received or Incoming button links to purchase orders and receipts for this product. It shows goods currently on the way to your warehouse. This helps your purchasing team track what is expected to arrive. The Internal Transfers button lists movements of this product between warehouse locations, for example, from main stock to quality control. It helps trace movement between sites or departments. The Moves button shows every stock movement linked to the product, whether incoming, outgoing, or internal. It is a full audit trail of your product history through the warehouse. The Valuation button appears if you are using automated inventory valuation methods like average cost or FIFO. It shows the total financial value of your stock for that product and connects directly to accounting journal entries. If your product uses lot or serial tracking, the Lots or Serial Numbers button lists every lot or serial number assigned and its movement history. This is essential for warranty and traceability. The Reordering Rules button shows all replenishment rules created for this product. You can open it to adjust minimum and maximum levels or add new rules to trigger automatic purchase or manufacturing orders. If the product is manufactured, you may also see a Bill of Materials button. It links directly to the BOM for that product, where you can view the components and cost structure used to build it. These Smart Buttons work together to give you total visibility from the moment an item is ordered until it is sold or produced.
To recap, On Hand and Forecasted show what you have now and what is expected. Reserved, Incoming and Outgoing show what is committed or in transit. Moves Valuation and Lots provide traceability, Reordering Rules, and BOM support, planning, and costing. With a single click, Odoo gives you a complete picture of your product lifecycle, from purchase to sale to accounting. If you would like professional help setting up your Odoo Inventory dashboard or automating reordering, visit Katylinks.com. We help businesses configure advanced analytics, valuation methods, and smart alerts for real-time control. I am Melissa from Katylinks. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more Odoo 19 tutorials on inventory, accounting, manufacturing, and AI automation. See you in the next lesson.